I'm gonna say one of my favorite riders, Josh Herrin, right there. If you missed it or you don't watch Moto America, has I think it's his second Superbike championship. Last year he was on the Super Sport one with Warhorse Ducati, and was it V2 or whatever they are. And this year he won the full bore Superbike baby, four or not 450. I'm so used to dirt bike, Superbike races. The absolute top end of the national series, and good for him. I mean, obviously, I like Josh Herrin. He's, I don't know, just a great personality. If you watch his YouTube videos, it's really cool to see uh, a racer who actually rides too. It's not just, hey, I rock up on the weekends and I go super fast down a track. He does group rides. He's just got a great personality for this, and it's to me really good for the sport, for Moto America in general, getting more people's eyes on it, for racing in general, just, seeing that these guys are out and about doing things, seeing fans, talking to people, and it's just cool to see. I mean, especially when you talk about like Ducati coming over here and, adding another team, adding a two-man team, and it's really good to see that Motor America is growing. Being a national series, obviously, it doesn't get these same sort of exposure, as you can say, as like WSBK or um, MotoGP, definitely, or even like BSB. But like BSB has a pretty big reach because I think it does a lot of the same tracks as WSBK and stuff like that. But it's just cool to see. I'm happy for this to happen. Obviously, I think it's like been 11 years or something since he's won his last championship, and he's been from multiple different teams and back to this, and it's good. You gotta say, good job for Ducati to believe in him, to give him the super stock ride, or not super stock, super bike ride, and say, here, go, win a championship, show us what you can do, and he did. And now it's just gonna be a thing of what happens next year. Obviously, Yamaha's coming out with the new um, R1 with some wings, so they can run that in the series, and we'll see where this falls. But for right now, congrats, Josh Herrin, awesome job, and yeah, tell me in the comments below. Do you guys watch any national series? Are you watching Moto America, WSBK, or any road racing in general, or are you mostly just an off-road dirt kind of viewer? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.